Hello everyone, a new SME IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Australian Premium Solar, India, Limited. Incorporated in 2013, Australian Premium Solar, India, Limited manufactures monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar modules and provides engineering, procurement, and construction, EPC, services for residential, agricultural, and commercial applications. The company manufactures two types of solar panels: monocrystalline solar panels, polycrystalline solar panels. The company also provides installation services for solar panels and solar pumps for residential and industrial end users, while it also provides installation services for solar pumps for agricultural end users. IPO opens for subscription on the 11th of January, offer will close on the 15th of January. Allotment will be on the 16th of January, listing will be on the 18th of January. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 108,000 rupees. Price band is 51 rupees to 54 rupees per share. Lot size is 2000 shares. Total issue size is 28.08 crore rupees. Fresh issue is 28.08 crore rupees. Listing at NSE SME. Key performance indicator are: price to earning 23.58, return on equity is 26.05%, return on capital employed is 30.62%. Debt to equity ratio is 0.15. Earning per share is 2 rupees and 29 paise, return on net worth 23 rupees 0.05%. The objects of the issue are: funding capital expenditure, to meet working capital requirements; general corporate purpose, to meet public issue expenses. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 20 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.